Kia ora. This week is Māori Language Week, and each day we will post a new word or phrase for you to learn. Come on whānau, give it a go. Today we are going to be looking at the pronunciation of Māori vowel sounds. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. It's important to get these sounds right when speaking Te Reo Māori. Try using these sounds correctly when pronouncing these words. I'll say it first, then you repeat after me. A, aroha. E, tu. I, iti. O, orapi. U, upuko. Kia kaha Te Reo Māori.